Oh, hey, hey! I didn't see you guys there. What are you doing here? Hello, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today, I have a fun little project going on, and it's about time I get to it. My buddy gave me some of his leftover vinyl tint wrap, like a year ago, maybe. And yeah, I've just been holding on to it for a while. But today I'm gonna finally wrap the headlights on my Golf. It's like 60 degrees in February at that. And grab some rags. I'm gonna go to AutoZone and get a cleaning kit so I can buff out and polish my headlights because they were getting a little whack. Yeah, this past summer kind of beat the shit out of them. But we're going to polish them, and then we're going to play around with wrapping them, because again, it's a nice, sunny, warm day. No wind for once. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to grab my Monster, grab my rags, I'm going to go to AutoZone, and it's going to be a fun one. All right, yep, we got the wrap right here. It's a whole roll. He said he gave me extra. He didn't say he gave me a whole roll. But yeah, this thing is still sealed and everything. It is Vivid. Creative technology. Made in China. No, in Canada! Alright. Let's go find the nearest AutoZone. Mom, no handlebars. I'm just kidding. I'm in my parking lot, okay? Chill out. Oh. Eternal. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, though. I had a recommendation from one of my followers to do more vlog style videos. So I think from now on, I'm going to start doing a lot more of that. But again, drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys like to see. Do you like to see more just specific instructional videos on how to do stuff? Do you like more, you know, vlog style like this? You know, I have a project I'm working on today, but I'm incorporating more of a vlog style into it, you know, including the drive and, you know, whatnot. So let me know what you guys like to see, but, you know, I obviously want to put out what you guys want to watch. So let me know.
A few minutes later.
In addition to this stuff here, the Rust-Oleum Wipe New Cleaner, or Restorer, I guess. This is the stuff I used on the BMW, and I remember being really impressed by it. It was only $10 too, so we're gonna try this again on the Golf, and we're gonna see what it do. But yeah, in addition to that, I also picked up a spray-on car wash from Griot's, and we're gonna try this out too. The car is, you know, lightly dusty now, but I want to get it, you know, I want to see what this will do.
A little later.
So I've actually noticed that one of the best ways to clean without alcohol, this is really good stuff here. It's ammonia-free glass cleaner, and it does a really good job at getting any like oils or waxes off of your surfaces. I actually use it a lot less for glass and more for when I'm going to apply a decal or something like that. We're going to use it to clean this up first. Alright, so opening this stuff up, I remember I did do a video on this with my BMW, but this is several months ago, so we're going to start over as if I've never done this. Final touch pad, basically, right here. You've got the instructions, you've got your gloves, you have the pad, and it comes with a rag too. Okay, to do this, you're going to use the little pad that they give you. Green side is for sanding, blue side is for polishing. Well, first, you're going to need water. So you're going to open your water bottle first. Get a decent amount on there. You can keep adding water later. take your green side and just start polishing away. Rinse some of that off, and then we're going to hit it with the polishing side next. And again, you're just going to keep going until it feels smooth. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side, and then we'll hit it with Schwala. We'll hit it with this stuff at the very end. I'm going to do the other side next.
A few minutes later.
Okay. This is where you're going to want to put your gloves on. These are chemicals, and you don't want them on your skin. These gloves are very tiny. These are very tiny gloves. Good Lord. There we mostly go. So essentially what this is a rag that's soaked in clear coat. It's essentially what this is. So you sand down and then polish and make sure that it's smooth, you know, with your polishing rag. Make sure that it's all nice and smooth before you say you're done. Because you're going to hit it with one sweep of this rag and fill it all in. This is the part that you're going to want to make sure you're very careful. It's definitely easier on the BMW because this has more curves. But you're going to want to go one direction, left to right, right to left, whichever. And that's it. You don't hit it multiple times. You go one direction and you finish. So I'm really impressed, actually. Look at how much better that looks. This is in the shade over here, so you can see it a little bit better without the glare, but yeah, look at that. That's not bad. The only thing that kind of bugs, there's like a million, let's see, there's like a million of these little tiny micro cracks and such on there. But I mean, it got the fog off really well. Really nicely, actually. So I'm interested to see how much, if anything, I'll notice at night. But it does say to wait 24 hours before even washing it, so I don't think I should just go straight into wrapping it right now. I should probably give it a day or two. So I will probably make the wrapping episode 2 of this little project. But we're gonna go ahead and try out this no wash cleaner here real quick. Very nice. That's really nice. Yo, this stuff is actually really cool. And it smells like coconuts. Actually really, like, exactly like coconuts. You ever have to go to a car meet but you just got off of work? Pull off to the side of the road, hit yourself with some of this Griot's spray-on car wash. This stuff is awesome, and again, it smells delicious.
A few minutes later.
Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will make the actual wrapping portion of my headlight job a part 2 video. Sorry, I'm out of breath walking up those stairs. Anyways, yeah, I'll make the actual wrapping of the tint the part 2 for this video. For now, I just want to make sure I let that that polish really sit on there and dry, not in a way where it's gonna, you know, get messed up by the wrap. So I'm just gonna leave it alone, let it do its thing, and that'll be my part 2 video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please drop a subscription down below. It really encourages me to keep putting out regular content like this. And then if you have any feedback for me, drop it in the comment section. Do you want to see more vlog stuff? Do you want to see more instructional stuff? What do you want to see? Anyways, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.